So are you a foodie, Salman?
Yeah, I eat.
And you like ghar ka desi khana?
Yeah, like ghar ka is not only desi, ghar ka is also continental, ghar ka is also Chinese.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But you want home food?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you should always try and eat from your home. I think that's important.
Yeah.
I feel, or if you're going out to a nice restaurant, of course.
This time, this food used to come from Nataraj studio. Nataraj was the caterer. Amazing food. And what we miss right now is the doodh ka kheer and the savaiya they used to serve.
Achha.
It is delicious. And the rajma.
Okay.
And the rotis used to be nice and thick.
So
The most delicious outdoor food experience, though, where I enjoyed the food the most was